Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a couple of days. Actually, in this is MS Word table formatting part 3. If you didn't watch table formatting part 1 and part 2, you can watch from I button, and also link is given in the description box. Okay, so in this tutorial, I will show you AutoFit and split table. Okay, and before starting the video, I'm requesting you, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word table formatting is going on. So let's get started. First, I will show you a split table. In this table there have 8 rows. So if I want to split first 4 rows from the rest of the table, then what I will do, I'll keep my mouse pointer on row number 5. Okay, so the rows before my mouse pointer will be splitted. That means row 1, 2, 3, 4. So these first 4 rows will be splitted. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select the table, I'll go to layout. Okay, then from here just click on a split table. See, first 4 rows have been splitted. Okay, now if I again want to split the table, okay, like this first 2 row will be splitted, so I will keep my mouse pointer on row number 3. So rows before my mouse pointer will be splitted. From here just simply click on a split table. So this was the split table, and now at this moment I'll show you AutoFit. So what is actually AutoFit? I am writing something here like MS Word table formatting part 3. So AutoFit is actually your column size will be resized. So now if I click on AutoFit, so let's see what happened. Okay, AutoFit. From here AutoFit contents, see what happened. Column size has been resized and full text is visible, but table has been decreased a little bit. So what you have to do is again layout, and from here AutoFit, and from AutoFit window. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. I'll reply. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up. Share this content with your community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.